Hi, this is Asa Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are here with Mr. Kushal Likhi from VoltBrew live at Bharat Electricity. Sir, first of all, your stall seems quite different than other in Bharat Electricity. Can you please give us a brief about what's different and how?
Right. So our vision is to support grid with the new RE integrations. So we have the hardware and software solutions, right, which enable grid and the newer RE integrations at large scale. And why we're different? Because we think of scale, right? And if you see a stall, we have hardware solutions which are low cost and they can monitor at the edges, right? And they can control systems also, right? Then there's software solutions which can bring data together and they can act on it. And I think we're the first one, right, in India who have trained their own LLM also. We can orchestrate the whole grid operation at large scale. Like millions of units, they can see and observe and orchestrate. And that's how you can make an impact on the grid, right? And we are UI compliant, DG compliant, right? And we are a big promoter of backend protocol also, right? And in that we also build Tier 2 energy trading in India. I think this is the first time happening in India, I think the world also, where actually as a solar producer, we are doing it in Lucknow, right? Let's say you are generating excess energy, you are selling for 2 rupees to the grid. Now you can talk to any commercial buyer in your discom and say, okay, if you buy for 10 rupees, buy for 6 rupees from me. Everybody's benefiting. You're selling one unit, they can sell to that person. Right, so this kind of enablement happens when you modernize and digitize the grid, right? And this is happening on backend protocol, right? And with our worldwide database AI LLMs, which is like Jarvis, in Iron Man, it is like Jarvis for your grid, right? It can orchestrate, manage at a very large scale, right? That's what we are doing at scale. We are helping discom, EPCs, smaller providers to manage the energy
I would like to know which of the products that you're showcasing here is the main highlight of your company?
The main highlight, till now is devices to actually control and monitor your premises, right? And automate our industries and houses, and these kind of solar loggers, which can actually control and monitor PV inverters. Because these are the touch points, the basic points for your whole system, right? For anything to happen, right? You need to have these control units, monitoring and control to be there, right? That's the first level to it, right? And that's what is the hot selling thing right now. Once these are available in abundance, right? Then we can think of all these bigger things also, right? Now we have data and control with us. Now we can automate it, control it, and do a lot.
So far, how beneficial has been the Bharat Electricity event for you?
Very much. In the 2 cases. Number one, we got good feedback, and we were able to meet a lot of good people, and we had a very good amount of leads also, right? And so having customers is one thing, right? But talking to people on discom, experienced people here, right? There are a lot of senior people coming here who tell us their experience. They say, okay, this will be very good, right? But you're doing wrong. Why do you do it this way? Right? This also, shapes your solution and product. And that is all been great here. Like a good kind of crowd coming and talking to us.